Need to insert a picture into your PowerPoint presentation to make your slides look more professional? Here are three different ways to do it depending on where your image file is saved. First, select the slide where you want the picture to appear. Next, navigate up to the top menu bar and click on the Insert tab. Right under it, click on the Pictures drop-down arrow. Here you have three distinct choices. If the photo is saved locally on your computer, select this device. Browse through your folders, select your image file, and click Insert. If you don't have your own image, choose Stock Images. This opens PowerPoint's built-in premium library, where you can search through thousands of high-quality, royalty-free graphics and illustrations. Select one and hit Insert. Finally, if you want to find an image from the web without leaving PowerPoint, select Online Pictures. A search bar powered by Bing will pop up, allowing you to search the internet for the perfect photo. Select it and click Insert to add it directly to your slide. If these options helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast PowerPoint tutorials.